With over 60% of Americans already having received their stimulus checks, a lot of money is finding its way into the stock market. Just how much money are we talking about here? Roughly $56.8 billion made its way into stocks and ETFs last week, and that's up from about $16.8 billion the week before. So we saw a huge inflow of capital into the stock market just over the last week, and it's not going to end there. Like I said, only 60% of Americans have received their stimulus checks so far, and I know once a lot of people get used to the stock market, or maybe we're going to find more brand new investors into the stock market, we're going to see that number grow over the next couple of weeks, and it could really affect a lot of stocks. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what some of the analysts think that people are going to be investing in, as well as what I think people are going to be investing in. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. We're going to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and become a bro, because we're going for 10,000 subscribers and we're almost there. All right, now let's talk about the stimulus check, where analysts are thinking people are going to be investing their money, or really what stocks that the analysts are saying could see a jump because of the stimulus checks as well. So believe it was a Bank of America article said that a lot of people are already buying ETFs and mutual funds. Okay, this is the safe route. This is obviously what the government wants, what hedge funds want. As soon as you put your money into the mutual fund, good. It's a nice, safe investment, but they get to make those fees. We've got a lot of videos on here talking about the direction that they're going with retail investors and really pushing people into mutual funds and pushing people into hedge funds so that they can earn a fee off our investments, right? Now let's talk about some of the investments or some of the stocks and industries that analysts are talking about seeing a bump due to the stimulus checks. And it's not going to come as any surprise to you, right? We're talking about things that people use disposable income on. So the industries like airline industries, cruise industries, snack food and junk food industries, and hotels were among the top, I don't want to say performing, but the top suggested by analysts industries that would see a bump because of the stimulus checks. Now, this makes sense, right? If people have extra money to burn through, they're going to go out, and one of the stocks they recommended was Coca-Cola. If people go out, they buy more Coca-Cola because they've got a bunch of disposable income. Okay, maybe Coke could eventually see an increase in stock price if their earnings reflect the extra spending and all of that. Hotels, if people go travel more because of the stimulus check, maybe hotels could experience an earnings bump and we could down the line see a jump in that stock price. Airlines, same deal. If people start to travel more because of the COVID relief package and that stimulus check they got, airlines could see a boost in revenue. All of these are taking place down the line, right? Now, these stocks and these industries are what you could expect to earn money on at least by the next time they report earnings, and we talk about their earnings releases and stuff like that. But it's because people are spending their money in those industries, not because they're buying those stocks. Now, we already know that the analysts are saying just invest it in mutual funds, invest it in ETFs and in the overall market. Okay, good advice. We know why they want to do it. The other section there is because of people spending their actual money in those industries and not buying those stocks. Now let's talk about what a lot of people are probably going to be doing with their stimulus checks. We know that the 25 to 40-year-old range is the most heavily willing, or the most willing to heavily invest their stimulus check into the stock market. Now, where are we most likely to invest our money? There's a lot of buzz around all of these Reddit stocks right now, right? Stimulus money. We've got this extra disposable income. We want to make money in the stock market. What are the analysts? What are the news outlets? What are they not going to tell you? They're not going to tell you all of the people that are scouring Reddit right now looking for Reddit stocks, right? We're talking about GameStop, AMC, Mara, RIOT, all of the names that are mentioned on there. SLGG is another ticker that comes up a lot on Reddit. And there's good reason for it, right? Now look, if we know that our age group is on Reddit, looking for investment ideas, looking for things that they should potentially put their money in, where do you think the money is going to go? It's not going to come from analyst recommendations. It's not going to come from hedge fund recommendations. It's not going to come from, generalized mutual funds or anything like that. It's going to go into the stocks that they see in front of them. And what do they see the most? AMC stock, GameStop, Mara, RIOT, SLGG, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, all of these cryptocurrencies. They're willing to take a risk on their money. These retail investors that scour Reddit all day long looking for different investments, they're willing to risk their money in things that they know. And one of the easiest things to do is get that name out there for those stocks. So yes, you could invest your stimulus check in things like the airline industry or like the cruise industry or snack food, junk food industry. All of those things could be good in the long run. But if you agree with me, if you think that people are out there and wanting to make money in the stock market and they're looking at Reddit to find these ideas to invest in, the money is going to flow into these quote unquote meme stocks that the media is labeling all of these stocks that they find on Reddit. If they can't value the stock, if they can't find a value that fits the stock price, it's a meme stock, right? They just give it this name, blow it off, and say that it has no future. Well, we know that AMC has a future. We know that GameStop has a future. GameStop is a completely different beast, right? It's the biggest short squeeze in history, and it's revolutionizing the way people invest in the stock market, and it's really revolutionizing the way the government and these different agencies view retail investors in the stock market. So it's got a lot of potential to really change the future of investing, and we've done a couple videos on this channel on that subject. And, it's kind of scary to think about what they want to do to retail investors, but that's a different topic, different story. So if you're looking to invest your stimulus check in the stock market, what can you do? Where can you go? Some of those popular names are AMC, they are GameStop. If you're into cryptocurrency, but you don't necessarily want to buy cryptocurrency, stocks like RIOT, stocks like Mara, things like these are going to be excellent names to get into if you want to touch in that blockchain avenue, but you're not exactly sure that you're ready for crypto. And one of the other penny stocks that could potentially do pretty well long-term, very small Vietnamese company, is SANP, Santo Mining or Santo Blockchain, depending on where you look. And it's gone up. It's gone from very, very cheap penny stock, and I believe it's trading around 1 penny right now. And it was all the way up to about 3 cents a couple weeks ago. So it's definitely got some huge upside potential, but it is a very small company over in Vietnam. So they've got a lot of work ahead of them if they want to continue that growth and if they want to continue to see those gains. So guys, I want to know, where are you? Because look, the majority of people that watch this channel are in that 25 to 35, 25 to 40-year-old range age group. And I want to know, where are we investing our money? Is it in ETFs or mutual funds? Let us know down in the comments below kind of what your play is. If you're going to buy GameStop, if you're going to buy AMC, if you're still holding GameStop and AMC, what the plan is. Let us know down there in the comments below. Inspire us to be better investors. And look, if you've got that stimulus check, you've never invested in a stock before, it is super simple to do so. And there's a link in the description below for Webull. All you have to do is click that link, fill out your profile or whatever. Super simple to set up your account, and then if you deposit $100, you're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing that, and it's really going to help pad your portfolio right from the beginning. And they are handing out free stocks of AMC right now, so it's very exciting, and a lot of people are happy that they're getting AMC without even having to buy it. So that's something you should definitely check out if you're brand new to investing or if you're thinking about trading brokers. Now, guys, it always helps to share these videos. So if you share this video, tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I would love to follow you guys back. And if the subscribe button is still red, why? You've been here for 9 minutes already. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. We're gonna grow our portfolios together, and we're gonna grow this channel together. Now, until the next time, guys, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.